So here we have the Jayco J-Flight 236TH. We'll go and walk around the outside. I'll point out features and then we'll go inside. So you have fold-away stairs. The feature, quite easy. They clip in to the door frame. Little blue release. Adjustable legs on each side. Set it down. Screen door. Latches. And latches to here. You have a door latch to hold the door in place when parked. Awning light. It is a power awning with speakers at each end. Pass-through storage. Here's a little staircase for the back deck. 4 stabilizer jacks on each corner of the trailer. After the trailer is leveled side to side and front to back, then you lower those just to stabilize. Don't try jacking and carrying weight. Here's the wrench for that right here. And we have a battery. And we also have a solar powered port if you want to hook a solar panel up to it. You have 2 30-pound propane bottles out front with a crossover regulator. So whatever one you're pointed at, that's the one you're pulling off of. And it'll automatically go to the next when that one's empty. Going around, sewer hose, emergency exit on this side, outside shower. Now, here's your city water connection. You have low point drains. This will drain the lines. Use that when you're winterizing. Your black and your gray. So when you're doing your sewer, have your hose connected into the sewer station, or if you're using a honey wagon, always pull the black valve first and then pull the gray, and it helps wash out the hose a bit. Hot water tank. Unit is winterized. Plug is out. Automatic ignition for the propane and for the electric. Just a little cap. Okay, 25 feet of power cord stored inside. Cable TV hookup. This is the vent here for the back of the refrigerator. And there's also one on the roof. Ventilation for the trailer. So your back deck / ramp, you can unpin it here and on the other side, and it will fold down as a ramp. The other features, I have one up to show you, is the railings. Everything just pins apart, you'll see right here, and folds back down. Outside lights in the back. Exhaust for the furnace. Don't place anything near that that's flammable. Potable water. Fill right there. Entertainment center can be hooked up outside here. TV mounts here. Plug in. Also my assistant opening up our vent for our stove cooktop inside. And we'll go inside. So inside we have the monitor panel, light switches for inside and out, awning light. Here's the button for the awning. And back in. Plug in here. Monitor panel. One's a water pump, so if you have water in that potable water tank, you can pump it using that. Hot water tank on gas, this one here. Hot water tank on electric, this one here, depending on what your preference is. Battery, check it here. Fresh tank, black tank. Black tank is your toilet tank. Gray tank is your shower and sinks. We give you an adapter from the 30 amp plug to the 15 household, and a bottle of toilet chemical to get you started. Cooktop range. A little reminder when using it, you turn it on, turn the desired burner on, and you have a sparker to the left here. Same thing with the oven, but you have to hold the oven in when lighting. There's an oven light, and the handles light up also. Now make sure your cooktop is cooled down before closing the top. Light and a fan. You have a couch that folds up to the wall like this one, and folds down for a bed. Okay. Also have a screen mesh that comes down on your back door. Okay. TV, stereo, power on, stereo, DVD player. Your fridge. So if you're plugged into hydro, just put it on auto. In the event the power went out, as long as you have a good battery on the front and propane tanks, it'll automatically switch to propane. Or you can strictly just ask for gas. If it's flashing, there's something wrong. Either the bottles are empty, turned off, or a battery's dead. This here's your converter. It's got your breakers and your fuses, has a little cooling fan. In this sense, it's like a little battery charger, charging up your battery on the front to run the 12 volt system in the trailer. You have tie downs for whatever toy you're going to carry with you. Storage up top. Oh yeah, thermostat. Fairly simple, select mode. First one is the fan. Second one is the air conditioning with the snowflake. Third one is the heat with the heat symbol. And then off. And select your temperature on the right hand side. Up or down. Toilet. Push the foot pedal. Part way down, it'll put water into the bowl. Use the toilet and then push it all the way down. A little reminder, it shows you the instructions on the lid. GFI protection. Now, if any other plug isn't working in the trailer, come here and make sure this hasn't tripped. Shower with the skylight. And bathroom has a fan. And the button's right here in the corner. Little pocket door leading to the bedroom. Optional space for another TV right here. Plug-ins and night light. Lots of storage in here as well. Another emergency exit right here. Trailer's equipped with pull-down blinds. heating is coming through the floor, and your cooling is coming through the ceiling. That concludes our video. Have fun and enjoy your trailer. Thank you.